Either if it's on paper or digitally, everyone should have a schedule. It's many people's New Year's resolution and they fail each year. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a schedule that will actually work. And make sure that you will use it. Now, the first thing to write down on this schedule is the pre-organized commitments that you have made. This could be school, work, or sport commitments. If your school or workplace has an online calendar that you can download to any electric device, this will make it a lot easier. Once being assigned homework, it is critical that you place this in any free time that you have. This could be free periods, before school, after school. But remember, free periods and free time doesn't mean playtime, it means time to be productive. The trick with this one is not to procrastinate. You're in luck though, because I've already created a detailed video on how to stop procrastinating, which you can click up here or in the description down below. The most important thing is to remember that everyone has the same amount of time. The most productive person on the planet, compared to the least productive person, has the same amount of time. The difference here is the way they choose to use their time. You should be taking your diary or schedule around with you everywhere. And with proper time management skills, you can get things done with the click of a finger. And if you did enjoy this video, please share it around. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and click the subscribe button right now and hit that notification icon so you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. And we're starting right now.